In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an OCO order on Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, using OCO orders, or one cancels the other orders, can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. They allow you to automate your trades, manage risks, and lock in profits more effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set this up. First, you'll need to open your Binance app and navigate to the trade section. This is your command center for all trading activities. Depending on your trading style and goals, you can choose to trade on spot, margin, or futures markets. Each has its own set of benefits and risks, so make sure you select the option that aligns with your strategy. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Binance offers a wide variety of coins, so you have a multitude of choices to consider. Keep your investment goals in mind while making this decision, and perhaps do some quick market analysis if you haven't already. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the options to buy or sell. Here's the important part. Opt for the OCO order. This type of order allows you to set a take profit price, a limit price, and a stop loss price. By doing so, you can ensure that one order will trigger while the other automatically cancels, adding a layer of automation and safety to your trades. Now it's time to enter the take profit price. This is the price you aim to sell your cryptocurrency for a profit. Setting this target is crucial because it helps define your profit taking point. And in volatile markets, knowing when to exit with a profit is key. Next, enter your limit price. This is the price at which you want to sell or buy the crypto. Make sure this price aligns with your overall trading strategy. Considering factors like market trends and historical data can help you make more informed decisions. Then you'll need to set your stop loss price. This is vital for risk management as it protects you from significant losses by automatically selling your crypto if it hits this predetermined price. Be thoughtful with this setting. It should reflect a level of loss you're comfortable with and aim to prevent larger setbacks. Moving on, you'll need to specify the quantity of cryptocurrency you intend to trade. Ensure that this quantity corresponds well with your financial strategies and risk tolerance, balancing potential returns and acceptable risks. Finally, review all the details of your OCO order carefully. Double check the prices, quantities, and market options to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the order. And there you have it. These steps outline how to set an OCO order on Binance, giving you a powerful tool for managing trades more effectively. Happy trading, and remember always to stay informed and vigilant in the ever-changing crypto market.